So ito ma'am, cornic. Chicha corn. Banana chips. From Abra. Ayan. Kayo ma'am ang pinaka-may-ari? Jackson Food Products. Okay. So ang pinaka-products is chicha corn and then banana chips. Native peanut. So meron din native peanut. Okay. Can you give us a estimate ma'am yung prices or the actual price?
This one sir is 50 pesos, yung size namin ng banana.
50 pesos yung size na to.
Itong size naman ng chicha corn sir is 50 pesos din.
50 pesos.
Then sa peanut namin sir is 3 for 100.
3 for 100.
This one sir is 140 pesos.
So bigger size ng chicha corn.
140. Itong naman sir is 150. 150.
150. Yan yung pinaka-biggest.
Yes sir.
Ilang grams?
Ilang 385 grams.
385. And then eto kanina.
Same lang sir, 385 grams. Yung packaging yung 85.
Okay. Etong ilang grams to?
100 grams.
100.
135 grams naman.
135.
50 grams naman.
So etong dalawang to, walang bigger size.
Wala. Ito na yung size yan.
Okay. Yes, kuno kayo ha.